Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Pontiac Trans Am. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it had the 455 high output engine, the snowflake wheels, although those look like they're the newer, larger wheels to me. And not sure if it was original paint or not, or if it was restored. Looks like it's probably been restored, judging by how nice the paint is on it. But it was definitely a nice car. It had the 4-speed transmission to go with it, and was one of 2,116 Trans Ams made in 1971. And it was a nice car. It definitely had a good look to it. Judging by the license plate on it, it looks like it might be have some things done to the motor to make it a little bit quicker than it was originally, and probably something with the suspension as well. But you never know. The owner wasn't nearby, so I couldn't ask him. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1971 Pontiac Trans Am with a 455 high output engine and a 4-speed that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.